Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Here we are looking at Bitcoin US dollar index on the 4-hour time frame. Just going to go over what has occurred here since leading into the new year and as it has begun here. We had been traveling between the last couple days of the year between the bottom of the blue parallel channel, which I am going to make a little bit thicker. It deserves to be a little bit thicker, I believe. It's a very important channel that we are currently the main focus of our price action these days. So we've been trading between the blue parallel channel and the 20-day moving average. Kind of got stuck in there. Finally did break through. Once we broke through above the 20-day moving average, we took off, and it looked like we were going up to 50,000, which is the center line of the blue parallel channel right here, traveling upwards within these purple parallel at this rate here. However, I told you yesterday that if we did not break this fuchsia colored line here, essentially what we had been doing or are continuing to do is just travel sideways in this parallel channel created by the actually the green, top of the green parallel channel and the fuchsia colored line there, which is perfectly parallel to the top of the green parallel channel. Now, if you don't know, what we've recently done is broken out of this white parallel channel and this green parallel channel that extend down here. Here's the bottoms of those channels. Now, they're at different slopes, and they have a relationship with price action that goes way, way back many, many years in Bitcoin. And we have left those and are moving on into the blue parallel channel, which also has a lot of price action with Bitcoin, but dating mainly back to the beginning of January 2023, coming off of the bottom from the FTX collapse. And we fell out of that in August here and have re-entered it here in December and have been able to hold it as support in the last half of December. And recently we've been testing it for support, falling through it, but as you can see, for the most part, closing the candle bodies above it, other than the last couple days of the year there. And even right now, we have about a half hour left, but it looks like we are going to close this 4-hour candle with the body supporting, with the bottom of the blue parallel channel supporting the candle body on the 4-hour. So, all that being said, I do believe that Bitcoin will break through this fuchsia colored line that is perfectly parallel to the green parallel channel and continue onwards and upwards to the $50,000 area here at the center line of the blue parallel channel. Why do I think that's? Because it's what we've done. We're trading in the blue parallel channel, and we've done it in the past here. We've had these pullbacks Now, whatever's going on right now, I kind of looked around and haven't really found anything clearly that would specific that would be causing this, other than just simply the market makers and the game players and whatever liquidating the longs and probably what they're doing is liquidating everybody in anticipation of it pumping back up. I mean, they're just taking advantage of the situation. So anybody falling for this, and I don't know, unless you catch it right away and are, sell everything and buy back in when it hits the bottom of the channel. Well, I mean, which isn't even much. It's a 5% pullback. Um, I don't know who would sell into fear like this. But we've done it in the past. Come down to the bottom of the channel and pump right back up. That's what our experience has been with the blue parallel channel. From the bottom, we quickly move up to the center line. From the bottom, we quickly move up to the center line and above. And here in the past, we traded in the upper portion of the blue parallel channel. But we also have traded in the lower portion here and here before falling out in August. Now, what I think is that regardless of Bitcoin spot ETFs, we're holding support on the blue parallel channel and leaving the others behind, and we will continue to rally up to the center line of the blue parallel channel. And without ETF approval, probably can continue to trade in the lower portion of the channel, and with ETF approval, probably trade within the upper portion of the channel. That would be the only difference in my mind, what an ETF approval would or would not do to the Bitcoin price action. So, got about a half hour here left. Looks like we're holding support on the blue parallel channel. I imagine whatever this was, that we pump. It does. We don't stay down here very long, and we continue back on upwards over here. And if we look on the 1 hourly, we are forming a little green candle. We got green color starting to form, so that's nice. It's kind of going slow. So we'll just see what happens from here with the rest of the day. But also, kind of coincidentally, that it does. This is occurring. Okay, I don't know why this thing moves around like this. It's not cooperating with me. This happened to be occurring on the birthday of Bitcoin's birthday. That's not very nice. It's not very nice what these people are doing. But I just can't wait to see what's going to happen with the rest of the day, because I imagine it's probably going to be pretty, either pretty uneventful or pretty substantial move back upwards. We'll just have to wait and see. But okay, like, subscribe, and see you next time.